How to attract women with your voice tone and confidence. Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to explore how the tone and pitch of your voice can either attract or repel women. It might sound a bit cliché, but stick with me. I'm Anna, a dating coach based in Vancouver, Canada, and I want to build on a previous discussion I had about an encounter with a man who approached me in a public setting. One of the first things I noticed was that he wasn't speaking in his authentic voice. I felt compelled to point this out to him, saying, "Hey, that's not your real voice." He looked puzzled and replied, "What do you mean?" "This is my real voice." I explained, "Not quite. What you're using right now is the voice that comes out when you're feeling nervous, self-conscious, or uncertain." He then asked, "How can you tell what my real voice is if we've never met before?" I responded, "You're getting warmer. Your true voice is the one you use when you're with your closest friends, where there's no pressure to impress anyone." After a moment of reflection, he acknowledged, "You're right." I encouraged him to try speaking in his genuine voice, as if I were just a friend. As he did, I noticed his pitch drop significantly, moving away from that high, nervous tone. Recently, I had a conversation with a friend of mine who is an actor. I shared my thoughts on the importance of using our authentic voice, and she mentioned a technique she learned in acting class. She suggested that when someone asks you a question, you should pause and say before responding. This simple act helps you tap into your natural and authentic voice, which is typically a few pitches lower than the voice you might use when feeling anxious. Interestingly, women often raise their pitch around men they find attractive, which can be linked to an instinctual desire to appear more feminine and submissive. However, my own observations suggest that men often find a lower-pitched voice in women to be quite appealing. So, whether you're a man or a woman, I encourage you to embrace your true voice. The next time you speak, start with a and then continue with what you want to say. This will help you express your authentic self. Thank you for tuning in. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. That's all for now.